Pedro some new toys today, which is this one. It came in a bag of $2. And this one actually, there's two of them as well. And the other one is already on the floor. First up, when I got this up, Pedro was actually scared of this. But now, he's not that scared anymore. At least I can get it a bit closer. Check this out, Pedro, look. So anything that has bells inside or anything that makes a noise he loves, because this one has got a little ball inside. And the little ball's got a little ball as well. So this is actually a drum, isn't it? This is like a drum, Pedro. Okay. This is like a drum. Yes, that's like a drum, that one. Yes. Uh-huh. Are we going to play with this one? Do you think we should play with this one, Pedro? What do you say? Hey, I don't know. You want to play with this? I can shake it. No. You can pick it up and throw it on the floor. It's okay. Come on. Come on. This is a drum. What do we call this? This is a bell drum. Is this a bell drum? I don't know. You're sleepy now, eh? You want to go sleep? Is that what it is? You haven't had any sleep yet the whole day.
Okay, you stay doing it, baby. Huh? Oh, you're doing this. I'm gonna get Pedro. You can make this your poop, Pedro. Sorry, that means grass.